the situation where you sent an email to someone and you just need to chase them up or constantly follow up to get them to respond to your email? Well, here's a great way of encouraging people to respond to your email in an automated way that saves you time, stress, and frustration. First of all, you'll do your email as you normally would, and then what you can do is flag your email messages. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, hey Donna, flagging's not new. Well, you're right, it's not, but let's have a look at how in Outlook 365, in the desktop version, it can be really, really useful. So we're in the main body of the message, and if you click on follow up, you've got all these options. I'm going to go down to custom, and it brings up a special dialog box, and the default is it's flagged for me with a follow-up and a date. Now, I can set a reminder, and that's a great reminder for me to follow up. But what we're trying to do here is encourage others to respond to the emails that we're sending. So what we're going to do here is click Flag for Recipients. And I'm going to click in here because I can click from the drop arrow and choose one of these default options, or I could type in report to go to Donna today. Okay, I set a reminder. Now, just be warned that when you set a reminder, it automatically sets it for the current day and around 4 p.m. Now, this is no good. I would actually, one of my tips is to come in and maybe make it 11 o'clock. Now, the reason I say that is because realistically, it's really stressful if you forget about something and then you get a reminder at 4 o'clock and maybe you finish at 4:30 or 5. So I'm going to change that to tomorrow, and it'll pop up in the inbox of that person that I'm sending it to at 11 a.m. saying report to go to Donna today. So that gives like a window of opportunity. So I think that's a really great way of encouraging people to respond. So you can see up here when you apply it, it says it'll be flagged for me with a follow-up and a due date, and recipients will receive report to go to Donna today, and they will get prompted on that particular date at that particular time. So you just fill out your email message and send it off as you normally would, but flagging messages for the receiver to encourage them to act on whatever it is you've asked them to do can be a really great way to minimize the need for you to have to go back and follow up all the time. And I'm one for working smarter, not harder. If you find it helpful, let me know.